Good morning, friends. Welcome to day 12 of Vlogmas. I am so excited. I'm so excited to have made it halfway already. It has been a crazy month. Today I wanted to do a little quick walkthrough of some of my favorite finds for kiddo craft this Christmas. So we do lots of crafty stuff in the lead up to Christmas with the kids. And this year I probably bought more pre-made kits and stuff than I normally do. I knew it was going to be a tough month with limited bandwidth and time for prepping and guiding and sourcing all the materials. I cheated a little bit this month and I bought some pre-made kits. So a couple of weeks ago I was over at our regional centre. If you've been watching my videos, you will know we live rural. We don't have a Kmart or a Spotlight in our town. We do have a big W, but that's about it. So we don't have a Kmart. So when I go to what we call the Big Smoke, which is just a slightly larger town that does have a Kmart, I love to go shopping and stock up on the stuff that we need from there. And so I was there, I was shopping, and I was just kind of poking around the Christmas section and found some amazing. So these are some of the things that we're doing this Christmas. We've already done some of these. We got a melty bead pack. They're so cute. This is my eldest. He hasn't done it yet. I don't know why. He's 18 and apparently not into melty beads, but it is super fun. That was $3, cheap as. So this is what my 14-year-old daughter's kit looked like. I can't see it at the minute. I don't know what he's done with it, but my 16-year-old had a dinosaur with a Santa hat. Super cute. So $3 each. I thought that was a bit of a bargain. It kept them busy for half an hour or so. One of the other things in our advent calendar has been to make our Christmas cards. So I grabbed a pack of just 50 blank cards. You may have seen me already use these in my art journal advent binding. So I used the envelopes and the cards to create the base of my art journal advent book. Then I also picked up these super cute Christmas washies. Like, look how cute they are. Look how super cute these are. It's just a tube of Christmas themed washi. That was like $5. Also $5 were these cute Christmas wooden stamps. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I've become a Kmart influencer. I feel ridiculous, but they're so cute. That's all the different little patterns. So perfect for Christmas card making and other crafting. So I grabbed those for $5. Also $5 was these cute little sun catchers. So you can see here we've got lots of glass in our house. You can probably get the gist from all that light in the back. That's our fireplace that leads to our schoolroom on the other side. You can kind of see the amount of sun. The sun on the carpet there is actually coming through the fireplace from the schoolroom on the other side. Lots of glass. And so I thought these could be really fun to decorate. There's like 21 little sun catchers and textures here. Again, it'll keep them occupied for a bit. $5. I'll call that a win. And then the most expensive thing I bought at Kmart was a little macrame set. I did some macrame myself a month or so ago and it was fun, and I thought it might just be a nice, almost mindful activity. I found like the knotting of the macrame to be really peaceful and settled into a nice rhythm. So I'm hoping the kids will enjoy that. So that's my favorite Kmart finds. And then on the weekend, we were at the beach just for a weekend away with my parents and all our kiddos and stuff. And on the way home, we stopped at a shopping centre at one of the bigger towns. We need to grab some stuff from Target, another thing we don't have in our town. And our Big Smoke also doesn't have a Target. So we decided to pop in there. There's a couple of things we wanted. And in that same shopping centre is a Kaisercraft. And so I went in, grabbed a couple of bits and pieces for Christmas presents and maybe a few things for myself off the clearance rack. And as I was checking out, they had a big stand of craft kits for Christmas, and they were like 70% off. So I'm just like, absolutely. My niece is coming to visit soon, and so I grabbed some stuff for the kids to do with her, which I thought would be fun. So more macrame, because I kind of forgot that I already had the Kmart one. But the Kmart one can be for my kids, and this can be for the kids and my niece. So that's a cute little set there. So it was $15 down to $3.50, $4.50. My maths is not mathsing this morning. I also got this cute polymer clay kit. So it says it makes 4, but I reckon we could kind of stretch it a little bit if we needed. We've got a heap of different colors and stuff. So that's really cool. So I grabbed that. That was originally $20. And so I paid $6 for that one. $6 for that. Can you see why I couldn't go past it? We always used to make our own bonbons, and look, I normally DIY it, but this year when I saw this, it was originally $13, so I got this for $3.60, and it's got the bonbon covers, the crowns, the snaps, the ribbon. I thought, for $3, I can't go past that. And so it was a great find. So they are from Kaisercraft. I'm not sure if they're available online. I will try my best. I will link all of these in the comments below. Another $5 find was this from the Reject Shop, also for $5. Seems to be the theme of the month. To be honest, I don't know how I feel about diamond dots. I don't think my brain is built for diamond dotting, I think is the thing. So myself and 2 other friends are doing it, the same one, because why not? And they're loving it, and one friend has finished already and another's raving about the zen of it, and I'm just like, I'm not feeling it. I know people love them, but yeah, I don't think it's for me. So I will finish this one though. So, and look, for $5 it was worth grabbing, it was worth having a try at it, and it's super cute. Like, it's gnomes. Who can resist gnomes? And my last $5 find, it can just get through. It was actually $5 US, which is slightly more for us Aussies, but it was still cheap because, oh my gosh, look how cute these gnomes are. This is a class with Gen Vax, and there's 4 different lessons and 3 videos in each lesson. So even converting to USD, it's still cheap as. And so those are some of my favorite $5 finds for crafting. Look, normally I don't buy into the whole fast fashion, disposable craft kind of thing, but you know, sometimes there's a time and a place, and festive and $5, you've got me. I'll link all my finds in the comments below so that you can see what I've been making. Obviously this is very Australian based, being Kmart and Kaisercraft, but hopefully if you're elsewhere outside of Australia, you might be able to find something similar, and I would love to know what your favorite festive $5 find is this Christmas. Have a great day. I'll be back tomorrow for day 13.